Your AI assistant just learned to build forms. Setup takes 3 steps. 1. Install the free WPVibe plugin. 2. Paste the MCP server URL into your AI client. 3. Flip on MCP write access. It's off by default, and WordPress permissions still apply. You're in control. Now, just ask. Build me a contact form with name, email, and a message field. Behind the scenes, your assistant calls real WPForms abilities over MCP, creating the form, adding every field. And there it is, in your form builder, exactly as if you'd built it by hand, ready to publish. And it doesn't stop at creating. Ask for a phone field? Added. Make the message field required? Done, right in field options. Even form settings. Change your submit button text by asking. Abilities API write support. In WPForms now. Update, head to Tools, AI MCP, and put your forms to work with Claude, Cursor, ChatGPT, or any MCP client.